And I request all my students to put their microphone on and give a big applause to a champion of yesterday, Jaskaran Pal Singh. Congratulations, he passed yesterday. The
Congratulations.
winner
Hey,
is
bravo.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats. Congratulations.
Congrats.
okay. Let me stop them all now. Just I put everybody's off, microphone off, and where you are, just my champion, put your mic on. Put your mic on. You knew one day this day is going to come. How are you
Yeah.
feeling? You've been applauding all the other people so far, right?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thanks a lot, everyone. Yeah, it feels great actually. I'm really happy. I just can't express like how I'm feeling right now. So, as you know, I gave my exam on Tuesday late evening, and I couldn't get the results on that particular day. I just couldn't sleep the whole night, and the next day, the first thing I did was just go to my out of school and ask them whether I passed or not. And when they told me, yeah, it was the best feeling. It was the best feeling, yeah. And all thanks to you. All thanks to you. You've been a great support, great teacher, great motivator, actually. And yeah, I couldn't have done this without you.
Did you try before to attempt for the exams, or have you tried to obtain license before you knew me? Did you try elsewhere? Or
Not really. So I've been in Italy for more than 1 year now, and I was looking through how can I get this through. And I searched a lot on internet, but I couldn't find anything. No one was convincing enough for me, to go on board. But I then saw you on YouTube. I saw a couple of videos of yours, and yeah, it was like I really liked them. You were really great in how you were explaining things, and yeah, after a few months, here we are.
that's very, very nice of you. Because I want to let you know, he speaks he speaks the language Punjabi, and there are lots of people who teach in Punjabi language, which would be his mother tongue. But for passing Italian driving test, it's much rather to use associate English to Italian, which
Yeah,
which is English is excellent. So if he choose that, but though imagine did not choose his mother tongue, he could have gone to another driving school. They teach a lot of them teach in Punjabi. I know he does, and I can speak that language too, but I don't because I don't need to. But anyway, he did a very good job, and you've done very good. You guys have never heard his voice. He rarely speaks, right? Because but he was very meticulous, studious. He would take his notes down, and I knew who was getting it. And I was very happy. And just Karan, the tips I gave you the night before and the day in the morning, was it helpful to you? Did you think it is?
oh,
I mean,
absolutely. Yeah, it really helped. So when I went to give the exam, I mean, the things that you told me, it really helped.
mm.
I think you have all the information in your head, but it's just a matter of controlling your nerves. And the things you told me it really helped. Yeah.
That's very, very kind. So, Jaskar, now you are the ambassador. Tell all the other people of your guy of the friends that you have in the circle,
Sure.
and
Yeah.
make sure that they come over here. I want them to say, Jaskaran told me. And just 4 days before your exams, you can for driving exams, call me. I'll help you with that as well. Okay?
I'll surely do. Thank you. Thank you, Ambrish. Thank you all. All the best, everyone. Bye bye.
All of us are happy to see you. All of us. Thank you very much. Okay. This is what I like. We have created like a small community.